Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope that you and your family are fine. Dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. It's your maths class. Now let's start today's class. Number 1, and we have also completed our exercise 1A in our previous class. Let's move toward our exercise 1B. Before moving toward our exercise 1B, let's revise our place value chart. In our page number 7, a beautiful place value chart is given to you. Let's revise this place value chart. Here the number is all, there are 3 columns, ones, tens, hundreds. So these columns repeated in each box here. If we started our place value, let's start from ones. Ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred. Remember then OTH, ones, ten, hundred. And this one, tens, hundred come in the box of ones. After that the turn is of thousand, then million. After that billion. Here some keywords are given to you. Let's talk about these words. Number name. Basically this is your number name. Expanded form. How can we write the number in expanded form? By adding plus and adding zeros, and this is your place value. Word name. This is your word name. Number name, and it is your number name. Again number name, number name. Then expanded form. Expanded form of this number name is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros. 7 after that 10 zeros, then 3, 9 zeros, 1, 8 zeros, 6, 7 zeros, 8, 6 zeros, 5, 5 zeros, 4, 4 zeros, 2, 3 zeros, 9, 2 zeros, 2, 1 zero, after that no zero. This is the sequence to apply the zero on the expanded form. Let's move toward our exercise 1B. Again, we have to write the numbers in words. Some numbers are given to you and we have to write these numbers in words. So students, let's start our work. So open your notebook and start your work with me. Here our number is 6839201543. I categorize this number into 3 groups. Look at these groups. This is 543, group of 1, 201, group of 1000, 839, group of million, 6 is group of billion. So it is clear from this picture. Our number is start from 6 billion, SIX 6 billion, then 839 million. So right here 800, EIGHT 800, 39 million, THIRTY 39 million. Now the turn is of thousand. So 201,000, 200, 1,000. After that the turn is of 543. So right here 543. So it is your number in words. Similarly, you have to solve all these parts that is given to you in this question at your home. I hope you will write all these questions at home. Now let's move toward our B portion. Here is your B portion. Write each of the following numbers in figure. Now we are going to write each of these numbers that are given in words in figures. So 85 billion. 85 billion. So you have started here just 85 billion. So right here 85 billion, comma 602 million. So right here 602, 602 means 602 million. Again comma 473,000. So right here 473,000. Again comma, after that 509. So right here 509. 509. So this number that is written in the form of words, and we have write this number in the form of figures. So 85 billion 602 million 4073 473,509. Let's move toward our second part, and our second part is 764 million. So right here 764 million. 764 means 764 million 863,000. So right here 863,000, again turn off comma, then 845. So right here 845. Wow, we have completed our answer, our given task. So write this number, read this number just like 764,863,845. Let's move toward our third part. Here is your 9,504. Here the position of thousand and millions is not given here. So write, start from your number, from which number, which digit? 9. 9 billion, 9 comma, the position, the numbers, the digits of millions are absent here. So write here 0, 0, 0. This 0 for 100, this 0 for 10, this 0 for 1. Good. So this is the position of million. Now the position of thousand. So this is your 100,000, this is your 10,000, and this is your 1,000. This is also missing here. After that 504 is given to you. So write here 504. So this is the number in figure of this numbers in words. So 9,504. 9,504, and we put here zeros for our missing digits. Let's move toward our fourth part, and our fourth part is here 436 billion. 436 billion. So right here 436 billion. So comma 436 billion 556 million. 556 million, again comma, then 5,000. Simple 5,000 is given to you. So position of 0, 0,000 and 10,000 is missing here, and we write here 5,000. Again 436 billion 556,000 and 5,556 million and 5,000. Now the turn of 610. So right here 610. So this is the number in figure of our part number 4. Let's move toward our part number 5. Part number 5 is, remember I just give the answer to you. So 6 billion. So right here 6 billion comma 212. 212 means 212 million 890,000. So right here 890,000. After that 515. So we have completed our number in digit. Next part is your sixth part. So let's move toward our sixth part, and it is your 9,012,002. So right here 9,012,000. So position of 100 is missing here. So write here 0. After that 12. It means 12,000. 9,012,000. Next is your 2. So position of 100 is again missing here. Similarly position of 10 is missing here, and we write here 2. It would become 9,012,002. And our last part is Our last part is our seventh part, 27,765,015,309. I hope that you can write this by your own. So let's move toward our C part. Right, find the place value of 2. Here you have to write the place value of 2 here. So let's find the place value of 2. Where is 2? Yes, here is 2. So 2 is on position 100,000. Ones 10 100, ones tens 100, and this is the block of 1000. So its place value of 2 is 100,000. Similarly, position 4. So look at here, where is 4? This is your 4. Let's count from this one. Ones tens 100, ones tens 100, ones 10. This is on your 10 million. So right here 10 million. Now you have to write the place value of 0. Let's find the place value of 0. Ones tens 100, ones tens 100, ones. This is on your ones, and what is this block? Ones, thousand, and 0 million. So it is on your ones million. Ones million. Now let's move to our fourth part. 7 in this box. So 7 is on your 100,000, and position of 1 is on your tens position, and 3 is on your ones tens 100, ones tens 100, ones tens, and this is of your block of million. So it is your on your 3 million, 3 tens million. Okay, let's move toward our D part, and here some parts are given to you, and you have to write all of these parts in the expanded form. Now student, 25739,124. Now let's move toward our place value in expanded form. We have started from 2. After 2, how many zeros you have to put here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. So I put here 7 zeros. 1. After that, have to put here comma. Then 3 zeros, comma. Again 3 zeros. Then the turn of 5. How many zeros would come in front of 5? 3 and 3, 6. So right here, comma, 3 and 3. 3 and 3 zeros after putting the comma between them. Then 7. How many zeros? 2 and 3. 5. 2 and 3, 5. Then turn of 3. 1 and 3, 4. After that 9. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then 1. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Because after 1, 2 digits are present. So put here 2 zeros. Then turn of 2. After 2, how many digits are present? 1 digit. So put here 1 0. And 4. After 4, no digit is present here. So put here no 0. So we have completed our question, our part in our expanded form. I hope that you have understood the concept that I have given how to write the number in expanded form. Here are some more examples, so more questions are given to you, and now it's your duty to complete these questions, complete this portion at your home. Portion number E and F inshallah we will be do in our next class. G portion H, I and J in our next class. So till then, Allah Hafiz, take care. D. Now student, let's move toward our E portion. Here some numbers are given to you in the expanded form, and you have to write this number in your short form. Now student, let's know that how can we write this number that is in expanded form in short form. So student, start from this 3. Right here 3. Then how many zeros? 3, 3, 6 and 7 zeros. Then the turn of 4, because 6 zeros are present in front of 4. Then 5 zeros are present, so right here 3. 3043, 343. Now the turn of 5, because after 5 zeros, how many zeros are present? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. How many zeros are present? 3 zeros. So right here 5, then 3, then 9 and 7. Here your answer of your first portion, that is your 30 billion thousand. So 30, After that 4, then 3, 3 4 3, again 5,000. So position of 100,000 and 10,000 is missing here, so we write here 005. After that 397, 3 digit 397. Remember the position of commas here, and commas are always written after the 3 digits. You have look in here 3 digits comma 3 digits comma 3 digits. Let's move toward our second part, that is your 5 5 8. Count the commas here, zeros here, 3 3 6 and 7. Here is your 3 3 6, so write here 8. Then we write here the digit that has 5 commas. So look at this, 3 commas are present, so a position of zeros, 5 zeros is absent here. After that position of 4 zeros, this is your 3 zeros, the position of 4 zeros is also absent here. Then 6,000, this is simply 6,000, so you have to write here, this is your 6,000, 58 billion 6,000, then 105, so right here 105. Here the position of tens is missing here, so this is your answer. Let's move toward our third portion, 80 billion thousand. So right here 80, so right here 8, then 7. Here is your how many digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is your 6 and here is your 7, so right here 87. Then 3 digits are present, 3 3 6 zeros are present, and it is your position of ones, hundreds, tens, 100 tens, 100 ones, tens, 100, and this is the position of your thousand box. So right here 100,000 is your 100,000. After that 30,000, 30,000, then 4,000, it would become 134,000. Then 5, here the position of 100 is missing here, so put here 0. Position of 10 is missing here, so put here 0. And that our last digit is of your 4. So we have completed our third portion. Similarly, our fourth portion here, 70 billion thousand, so right here 7. After that 500,000, so billion, 70 billion, so right here full 70. This is your 5 million. Here is your 70 billion thousand, so you have to write here 7, then 5, so 5. After that you have to put here comma. This is your 300,000, so put here 300. Then 5,000, so position of tens is missing here, so 300, 5,000, and our last digit is about 203, so right here 203. So this is our fourth portion. Now let's move toward our next part, that is your F part. So let's see what is given, what we have to do in this part. Here we are going to write the symbol of greater than and less than. Let's see what is greater and which one is less number here. 357,412. Let's read this number, 357,412, and it is your 1,054,541,000. Which one is greater, million or simple thousand? Yes, million is one greater, and this number is smaller here, so put here less than. Similarly, let's move toward our second part, which is here 8,759,000, and it is your simple 875. Which one is greater, billion or thousand? So billion is your greater here, so put here greater than, greater than. Then 35,192,000, and it is your 31,927. Which one is greater, 35 billion or 31? Yes, 35 billion is greater here, so put here greater than. This is the symbol of greater than, mouth open, so greater than. Here is your 46,120,000, and it is your 53,927,000. 540,000. Which one is greater? 46 billion or a 53 billion? Yes, 53 billion is greater here. So you have to put here smaller or greater. Yes, it is less than, because 46 is your less here. Let's move toward our 87 billion 351,000. 87 billion 513. Which one is greater here? 351, 531, 13. So 513 is greater here. So it is your smaller, it is your less number, less digit. So put here less than, mouth close, less than, mouth open, greater than. Okay, 13 billion 546,000, and it is your 18 billion 534. Which one is greater? 18 or 13? Yes, 18 one is your greater number here. So put here less than, because this number is your less number. So put here less than, mouth close, less than. Now let's move toward our next part. 51327 956 51 billion 51 billion. It is your 82, so 82 billion. Which one is greater? 82 or 51? Yes, 82 is your greater here. So this number is less number. So put here mouth close, less than. Here is your 20 billion, and it is again 20 billion. Let's move toward our next digits. 561,000. Here is your 543,000. Which one is your greater? 61 or 43? Yes, 61 is your greater here. Greater number. So put here greater than. So we have completed our F portion here. Let's move toward our G portion. Write the greatest and smallest six digits number. As we have already discussed this, how to write the number as the greatest digits and smallest digits. For greater one, you have to start the number from 6. After that, you have to write the number which is less than 6, that is your 5. Then 4 is missing here, sorry, 9 is also present here, so put here 965, then 965, then 321. So right here 321. It is your greater number. Let's move toward our smaller number. Smaller number 2, you have to start your work with your smallest digit, that is your 1, then 2, then 3. Similarly, you have to write this number in reverse order: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. So it is your smallest digit here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Let's move toward our next part. 752108. Now let's write the number in our greatest digit. Which one is your greater one? 8, then 7, then 5, 2, 1. So right here 5, 2, 1, then 0. So put the commas on correct order. This is your correct order. So this number is greatest number here. Let's move to write the number in smallest order. So write this number in reverse order: 0, 1, 2, comma 5, 7, 8. So this is your smallest digit here. Let's move toward our H portion. Write the greatest and smallest 7 digits number. Now students, you are able to write the number in greatest and smallest digits, so you can do this at your home. Write the greatest 8 digit number using only one digit. So you have to write here greatest 8 digit number, or we are going to use only one digit. So we are going to write a number which is greatest or 8 digits. So you have to write here 9. 8 times 9, right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now by putting the commas on correct position, 3, 9, then 3, 9, and this is your greatest 8 digit number, and I have used here just one digit, that is your 9. Now uses 3 different digits. Now we have to write here the greatest digit number by using 3 digits, different digits here. Because task is given to us is to write the number in greatest number. So start from the 9, again 9, again 9, because how many digits we have to put here? 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in our last digit we put here 8 and 7. So it would become your 3 digits. So put the comma in your correct position. 1, 2, 3. Here comma 1, 2, 3. Here comma then here. This is your greatest 3 digit greatest number 8 digit number using 3 digits. Let's move toward our next part, that is your J portion. Observe the pattern and write the next 3 digit number. Here the pattern is given to you and you have to write here the next 3 digits number. 5000 534,027. Here is your 127 is your 227, then you write the 327 and 534. Here is your 327, then 427. Again 534. Pattern wouldn't change here. Then 427, after that 527. So 534, 527. So let's move toward our next part. 4,000, 4,312,000, 4,313, 4,343, So now the turn is of 4,314. After that 315, 563, because these numbers are constantly repeating on your each digit, and 4 is also repeated here. So the difference is only 312, 13, 14. Now 315, again 4, 3, 1, 6, 16, and 3, 1, 7, 17. Here's your 3,000, 3,000,1,056, 3,000,1,046, 3,000,1,036. Now the turn is off. Yes, 3,126, then 3,116. Again the digits which are repeated constantly here, these digits. Now let's move toward our last portion. 21,954, 21,954, 21,954. These digits are constantly repeated here. Let's move toward our next digits. 684, 584, 484. After the turn of 484, which digits will come? Yes, 384, then 284, then 184. So I hope that you can write this at your home. So student, today we have completed our exercise 1b. I hope that you have understood today's class, what you have learned in our today's class. So student, now it's time for your homework. You have to write all these questions that is given in your exercise 1b complete on your notebook. So students, dear students, if you have any question regarding today's lecture, call me at school's number. I'll answer your all queries. Dear students, complete all the tasks that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework on school WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.